Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Mini Cooper S showroom walk around. Polestar 4 is more than just an electric vehicle, it's a revolution in automotive design and technology. A seamless blend of luxury, sustainability, and high-performance engineering, it redefines what it means to drive electric. With its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette and bold, modern aesthetics, Polestar 4 captures attention at every turn. The absence of a rear window is a groundbreaking innovation, enhancing the vehicle's futuristic appeal while improving aerodynamics and interior space. Step inside, and you enter a world of refined craftsmanship. Every material is carefully selected for sustainability without compromising luxury. The cabin is designed to offer a sense of openness and tranquility, with high-quality textiles, vegan leather options, and responsibly sourced aluminum. The panoramic glass roof enhances the spaciousness, allowing natural light to flood the interior while maintaining a serene driving experience. At the heart of Polestar 4 is an advanced dual-motor powertrain that delivers exhilarating performance. Instant torque propels the vehicle forward with seamless acceleration, making every drive an experience to remember. The all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability, providing confidence on any road surface. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long-distance journeys, Polestar 4 offers a dynamic yet smooth ride. Range anxiety is a thing of the past with Polestar 4's long-range battery. Designed for efficiency and performance, it provides an impressive electric range, allowing drivers to travel farther with fewer charging stops. Fast charging capabilities ensure that you spend less time waiting and more time on the road. Regenerative braking further enhances efficiency, converting energy back into power to extend your journey. Technology is at the core of Polestar 4's DNA. A high-resolution digital display provides essential driving information, while an intuitive touchscreen infotainment system keeps everything at your fingertips. Google integration brings Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store directly into the vehicle, ensuring seamless connectivity and convenience. Over-the-air updates keep the system up to date, continuously improving performance and functionality. Safety is a top priority in Polestar 4, with advanced driver assistance systems that enhance security and awareness. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking work together to create a safer driving experience. Smart sensors and cameras provide a 360-degree view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Polestar 4 is a statement of progress, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric mobility. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey with unparalleled comfort, cutting-edge technology, and zero emissions. Every aspect of Polestar 4 is designed with purpose, ensuring a driving experience that is as thrilling as it is responsible. This is the future of driving. This is Polestar 4. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.